Krishna wonderful performance. We will now take a few minutes to honor Guru Garu and the artists. I ask Sarita and Sham, the proud parents of Raju, to invite Chetan Garu onto the stage.
Thank you so much, Raju, and Namaskara Andukina. It's an honor today that Guru Garu is here. We're so blessed to have Sri Seshachari as our next Guru Garu. I mean, there are no words. Whatever I say about Guru Garu is less. But I have to say a few words. Definitely that's not enough, and that comes from my heart. Sri Seshachari Garu, he is the top-ranking artist of All India Radio. He is the lead singer of the dynamic duo Hyderabad Brothers. He has the distinction of being one of the most popular vocalists in Carnatic music. He's imbibed his music skills at the feet of his parents, late Sri Sangeeta Sahitya Vidwan Daruri Ratnamacharyalu and Mother Srimati Sulochana Devi. Hyderabad Brothers at a very tender age performed in all major institutions and sabhas all over India and abroad. With tutelage from parents alone at a very young age, Sri Seshachari Garu in his early performances was given the Best Young Talent Award. Given by Sangeeta Nayak Academy in Hyderabad. Hyderabad Brothers won several awards and titles from many reputed institutions. Some of their awards include Best Vocalist by Sri Krishnagana Sabha at the Music Academy. They were also nominated as Asthana Vidwans of Kanchi Kamakoti Ahobila Matam. We have received Guru Garu and brother as Hyderabad Brothers have received many titles. Sangeeta Kalasagara, Sangeeta Chudamani, Gandharva Ganakalanidhi. And most recently, Guru Garu, Sri Seshachari Garu has received Senior Outstanding Vocalist Award from Madras Academy. Kalaratna title from Andhra Pradesh Cultural Council. Sri Seshachari, staff artist with AIR, All India Radio, set to tune several Saint Annamacharya's songs, Sharadamba Kritis and Sringeri Preetam. Recently, Sri Seshachari Garu is selected as Ambassador for Culture and Heritage. Whatever we say is not enough in front of what you have done to our children. If Raju is here today and he is able to perform, it's just because of you. We know how Raju was struggling with his cough and cold and everything, but nothing is an excuse. Guru Garu trained him and tuned him in such a way that there is absolutely no excuses when you are on stage. So, we are honored. We want to honor Guru Garu with a shawl. Please accept this, Guru Garu. in Telugu. I pardon this. Raju, can you please come here, Nana? Well, there's nothing what we can do for the immense knowledge, wisdom that Raju gained. We know how childish he was few years back, and the training he received during summer in Hyderabad and the mentoring he received from Guru Garu is just nothing before what we are trying to do here. But humbly we request you, Guru Garu, please accept this small token of appreciation. We also want to honor his first guru who taught him the basics, Srimati Vijaya Punupuli. I humbly request Srimati Vijaya Punupuli to come over the stage. They call Adi Guru, Pradama Guru, meaning the first teacher who teaches the basics. Plus are those elementary school teachers, all those teachers who laid on the basic foundation. Srimati Vijaya Punupuli, she is a student of Sri Seshachari Garu itself. We are so blessed to have her as our family friend, as a mentor for my children, who first taught him his very basics and said, Raju, I see potential in you, I'm going to introduce you to my Guru Garu. She is the one who convinced Guru Garu to teach Raju advanced lessons, and then she's the one who seeded the very thought that we should do Arangetram for Raju. He's getting there. And so we are blessed. Guru Garu took it, and we know how the journey was. It was difficult, it was very challenging, but I think for somebody like Guru Garu, it's a piece of cake for sure. Vijay Garu, please accept this small token of appreciation from us. ఏది కూడా సరిపోదు. Whatever we do, we are very, very indebted to you. We want to honor Anupama Murthy. She readily accepted when we requested, Anupama, can you please play for Raju? His doing Arangetram. And she's so busy doing her, finishing off her bachelor's degree from UCLA. She said, ready auntie, and I should say Induji, and blessed are your parents to have such a child, Anupama. Thank you so much. Want to honor Sri Srinivasa Govindarajan. Raju had been having his practice sessions at his house, and we used to go there to have nice lunch prepared by his wife and have his practices. Srinivasa Garu, thank you so much for helping us. We also want to honor Sri Rama Kunupalli. Your amazing friend Rama Garu. If Shyam relates to anybody, it is you. You've been there supporting him morally, mentally, no matter what. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rama Garu. You're more than a friend for all of us. system. We really appreciate all the help. So, Dr. Raghav, can you please come to the stage and accept a small token of appreciation? Please come. Raghav, please come. Thank you so much, Rampuran Garu. It was a working day. Rampuran Garu came over, helped us check if the feedback speaker system is working, monitor is working, make sure Raju's voice is good enough, audible, tested it out. We really appreciate all the help of Rampuran Garu. Thank you. We want Srimati Vijayapalli to say a few words about the program, and we really appreciate you, Vijay Garu. Please say a few words.
Putting me on spot. Most of you have seen Seshachari Garu, my guru, yes. In front of him, it's very hard to say a word. You won't give anybody any chance anyway. So, it's going to be really tough. But, you saw Raju in a very short time, how he molded him from a very Sarigama Padanisa from me, like very in the past and perfection. This thing, Raju, you did a wonderful job, and definitely the credit, most of the credit goes to the Raju. Taking his intense training, and because I learn from him, and I think I'll always learn as long as I live and as long as he's willing to teach. I know how tough it is to learn from Seshachari Garu. The one who understands the music and the value of his lessons can deal or take the lessons, and Raju, you did a wonderful job for learning from. It's almost like trying to swim in an ocean. Not easy this thing, but you saw the result today. He almost perfected every song of it, and the wonderful support Anu, and definitely the Namrudam too. And I definitely like to thank Sarita and Shyam and the extended family with all the affection and love. The food, of course, almost all week we have been getting food from the family. Definitely, and thank you very much. Sarita is like my younger sister or daughter. You can call anything. They are our family, both Sarita, Shyam, and the kids. Thank you very much.
We want to request Guru Garu, Sri Seshachari Garu, to say a few words today.
To give a program, classical music program mainly, and this is starting program. This is not easy job, you know. Here violin is there, mridang is there, they are accompanying. He has to control himself as well as accomplish also. Sarita and Vijay, they are telling, I struggled. It is not my struggling. Of course I struggled. But here in US, you know, the activities, attitude, habits, climate-wise, this is completely different when compared to our India. Raju, actually, we all should appreciate his interest, his keen interest, because Today, so many varieties of music are there, but he is very, very much interested about our Indian classical music. That is very great thing. Today's Arangetram program, that credit goes to Vijaya Kunapuri only, because I don't accept any Arangetram program. That standard should be there. My weak point is I don't compromise. I don't compromise my singing also. So last year Vijaya Kunapuri, she recommended, and of course I also accepted. Raju, I remember, I can easily say his first item for Arangetram program is Anandamrita Karshan. Last year, same season, I started Anandamrita Karshani and I agreed for your today's Arangetram program. We all should thank Anu and Srinivasan. Without accompanist, vocalist cannot do anything. ఇవాళ సరిగా వాసన పాట పాట మేలో కొండు వరడం పక్క వాద్యం పక్క బలం ఇరకడం పక్కా బలం ఇరకడం కొంచెం తమిళ பேசுறேன் கொஞ்சம் தெலுங்குல பேசுறேன் ஏன்னா நம்ம சங்கீதம் பற்றி சொல்லும் போது இங்கிலீஷ் அது ஒத்திக்காது இங்கிலீஷ் லாங்குவேஜ் ஒரு சரிப்பட்டு வராது தமிழ தான் சொல்லணும் இல்லாட்டா தெலுங்கு தான் சொல்லணும் ஏன்னா இந்த ஊர்ல பசங்களுக்கு அங்க போ இங்க போ அது பண்ணு இது பண்ணு உயிர் வாங்குறாரு பசங்களுக்கு அது பேரண்ட்ஸ் அது பண்ணு இது பண்ண வீட்டில் உட்காந்து சத்தம் போடுவார் அது ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு சரி வாட் எவர் இட் மே பி அப்புறம் ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டேன் சாக்கர் கேமு ஸ்விம்மிங் போனோம் ஃபுட்பால் ஆடணும் டென்னிஸ் ஆடணும் படிக்கணும் அதுக்கு வேறு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வரும் ஏதோ விவகாரம் இருக்கு பட் போன வருஷத்துலேருந்து அத்தனை ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ் கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம சங்கீதம் மேல அவளை பக்தி ஸ்ரத்தத்தோட அது பாடணும் குருவர் சொன்னாரு இந்த மாதிரி பாடணும் இப்படி பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணணும் அங்க மனசுல இருக்கிற அந்த ஸ்ரத்தை இருக்க பார்த்தீங்களா அதுதான் பெருமாள் அனுக்கிரகம் இன்னைக்கு வந்தது நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும் என்ன பண்ணா கூட பெருமாள் அனுக்கிரகம் வேணும் அது அவ அனுக்கிரகம் இல்லைன்னா ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது மெயின்லி நம்ம சங்கீதத்தில் அனு ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ணு நல்லா வாசிக்கிற நடுப்புற கொஞ்சம் டவுட்ஸ் வந்தது நான் அப்போ ரிஹர்சல்ல சொன்னேன் டவுட்ஸ் வேண்டாடி சரியா வாசி போய் நல்லா வாசிக்கிற கை நல்லா இருக்கு அப்படி சொன்னேன் ரொம்ப நல்லா வாசிச்சேன் நடுப்புற டவுட்ஸ் வந்தது அது திருப்பி கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணிட்டு வாசிச்சேன் அதுக்கு தனி மார்க் கொடுக்கணும் டவுட் வந்து அது சரிதானே நம்ம ஸ்ரீனிவாசன் லய பிரம்ம அவன் பேர் லயபிரம்ம போட்டிருக்கேன் லயபிரம்ம ஸ்ரீனிவாசன் அவன் ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டி என்னன்னா அவ தக்க திம்மி வாசிட்டே வந்துட்டே இருப்பார் அவன் பின்னாடி அவனுக்கு கவலை இல்லை பாடுறவாடிக்கு கவலை இல்லை கேட்கறவாடிக்கு கவலை இல்லை ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో తెలుగులో ఆరంభించుంటాయి ముఖ్యంగా కడుపు నిండా భోంచేసి పరమానందం పడ్డాడు అని అంటుంటాను చూడండి ఆయన ఎవరంటే నాగేశ్వరరావు గారు కూర్చున్నారే పెద్ద ఆయన తక్కువ కాలం పోయి ఆయన ఎట్టుంటే అది చూసారా అమ్మమ్మ తాతయ్యకు ఉన్న ఎఫెక్షన్, నానమ్మ తాతయ్యకు ఉన్న ఎఫెక్షన్లో చిన్న శుద్ధ మద్యం ప్రతి మద్యం అని తేడా ఉంటుంది కదా, రెండు రాగాలే. ఆ నాగేశ్వరరావు గారు పక్కనే వారు సతీమణి కూర్చున్నారు చూసారా, ఆవిడికి ఎంత ఆనందం. నా మనవడు పాడాడు, నా మనవడు పాడాడు. అది మనకు అవసరం. ఎందుకంటే వీడు కచేరీ చేస్తాడు, అమెరికాలో కూర్చుంటాడు, వాళ్ళు అంత దూరం నుంచి వచ్చారు. ఈ ఫెస్టివల్లో వాళ్ళు ఉండడం అనేది వీడి అదృష్టం. ఎందుకంటే అమెరికాలో ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు పనులు చేస్తున్నారు, 10వ క్లాస్ అయిపోతుంది, 12, 13, 14, 15 అన్ని చదువుతుంది, ఉద్యోగాలు చేసేస్తారు, పెళ్లి చేసుకుంటారు. కానీ ఒక మంచి కార్యక్రమానికి వాళ్ళు ఎంత దూరం నుంచి శ్రమపడి వచ్చి ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఉండి వాడు ఆనందపడుతున్నారు చూసారా, అది వాడికి జీవితాంతం వాడికి అది ఆశీస్సు, శుభాశీస్సులు. ఎందుకంటే కొడుకు కూతురు మీద తండ్రికి తల్లికి ప్రేమ ఉంటుందట, అంతకంటే మనవడి మీద ఆ ప్రేమ చెప్పడానికి వీల్లేదట. ఇది 100% అయితే అది 20% అట. అంత అంత నాగేశ్వరరావు గారు ఉన్నారు. మా జానకి అక్కయ్య గారు ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారో కనపడ్డారు. మరి ఆవిడ ఎందుకంటే దూరం వెళ్ళిపోయారో తెలియట్లేదు, ఆనందం పడలేక. జానకి గారి గురించి కొన్ని మాటలు చెప్పాలి. వీడు మన సమ్మర్లో హైదరాబాద్కి వచ్చాడు సంగీతం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవడానికి. పాపం జానకి గారు పొద్దున్నే నేను 7:30 టైం ఇచ్చాడు, మార్నింగ్ 7:30కి రావాలి క్లాస్ కానీ. ఆ జానకి గారు వీడిని పట్టుకొచ్చేది అనమాట. ఆ మారుతి 800లో పట్టుకొచ్చేది. ఒకరోజు ఆ మారుతి 800 రిపేర్ వచ్చేసింది. మా హైదరాబాద్లో అన్ని కార్లు ఎప్పుడు పడినప్పుడు రిపేర్లు వస్తాయి, కంగారు పడకండి. పాపం ఆవిడ ఎంత కష్టపడిందంటే 7:30కు మా ఇంట్లో ఉండాలంటే అక్కడ 6ంటికి లేచి, హైదరాబాద్లో ఏంటంటే ట్రాఫిక్ గోల ఉండేది 5 కిలోమీటర్లే కానీ రావడానికి 1:30 పడుతుంది. మా దగ్గర ఆటోలు బస్సులు అడ్డందిడ్డగా నడుస్తుంటాయి. మా ఐడియా జీవితం అలా ఉందనుకోండి, దాన్ని వదిలేసిన తర్వాత మాట్లాడాలి. సో మా జానకి గారు మనవడిని తీసుకొని కష్టపడి వచ్చి వాడికి ట్రైనింగ్ ఇప్పించి అంతసేపు కూర్చొని విని ఆవిడ కూడా ఆనందపడింది. ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంకి ఎవరెవరైతే కష్టపడ్డారో అందరికీ నేను పేరు నేను అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే ఒక ప్రోగ్రాం జరగాలంటే ఇది అంత ఈజీ పని కాదు. ముఖ్యంగా చివరికి ఒకటే మాట చేస్తాను, ఈ కుటుంబ సభ్యులు ఎంత కష్టపడ్డారు, నేను ఎంత కష్టపడ్డాను, వాడు ఎంత కష్టపడ్డాడు అనే కాకుండా ఇంతసేపు ఓపికగా మీరందరూ విన్నారు చూసారా, అది కూడా చాలా గొప్పే. సరే నేను చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతుంటే కచేరీ చేసినట్టుగా ఉంటుంది, ఓ రాగం బయట రాగం తీసుకుంటే ఒక అరగంట 30 గంట పాడుతున్నట్టుగా ఉంటుంది ఆ మాటలు. ఇంకా మన రాజు ఇది ప్రారంభ కచేరీయే. మరి వాడు చదువు ఎట్లా ఉంటుందో, వాడు 10వ క్లాస్ అంటున్నాడు, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 వాడు దొరుకుతాడా దొరకడా ఏం చేస్తాడో తెలియదు. అయితే ఒక గురువుగా నా మనసు ఏం కోరుకుంటుందంటే ఇంకా ముందు మంచి కచేరీలు చేయాలి. మన కర్ణాటక సంగీతానికి చెన్నై నగరం అనేది అదొక రణరంగం, యుద్ధ రంగం అంటారు నేను. అక్కడ పోయి గెలవాలి, అక్కడ పోయి పొడి చేసేయాలి ఎవరైనా సరే. అక్కడ పాడితేనే కర్ణాటక సంగీతానికి అంతే. కాకినాడలో కచేరీ చేశాం, రాజమండ్రి కచేరీ చేసామంటే కుదరదు. మద్రాసు నగరంలో కచేరీ చేస్తేనే మన కర్ణాటక సంగీతానికి అదే రణరంగం. నేను అయితే తెలుగు వాడిగా కానీ గర్వంగా చెప్తున్నాను, చెన్నైలో కచేరీ చేయాలి. చెన్నైలో కచేరీ చేస్తే సుప్రీంకోర్టు ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది అక్కడికే వెళ్ళాలి మనం.